Hello everyone, today I'm gonna review this beautiful copper mug by Inspired Basics. So as you can see, this is a beautiful handmade mug. It's a handcrafted copper mug. Uh, I did not buy this copper mug to make cocktails in it. I just want to tell how copper is important in Indian tradition, how copper as a metal is important in Indian tradition because in our Indian medicine, Ayurveda suggests that storing water in copper vessels is good for health. As you all know, that copper has certain health benefits which any other metal cannot provide. And even in our temples, these copper vessels are used to store holy water. If you go to a nice restaurant in India, they serve dishes and they serve entrees and starters in these copper vessels. It's really elegant. It looks so beautiful, and copper is known to destroy E. coli bacteria, which causes food poisoning. Stainless steel can, it can harbor so much bacteria, but if you put the same bacteria in copper mug, it can kill that bacteria in few hours, even at room temperature. So that's the beauty of copper, and it has so many health benefits. Like I said, it regulates your pH. If you're worried about your pH being too acidic or too basic, you can try drinking water from copper mug, just some cold water directly from the tap in this copper mug for a few days, and then check your pH. It's definitely gonna get better. And Ayurveda also suggests copper pure. It prevents or cures arthritis. Not just that, copper also, it helps the production of melanin in body, so it prevents sunburns and premature graying of hair. It also regulates the thyroid gland functioning. So these are the few benefits I know about the copper metal. And I'm pretty sure there are so many other uses for copper metal and drinking from a copper mug or glass. When in India, I used to drink. I always preferred a copper glass, and the cleaning of this copper mug is pretty easy. Copper mug or vessel or glass, whatever it is, I use tamarind pulp to clean this copper.